That's it, keep going. That's it, wreck it, come on. Rip that back axle right off. Rip that back axle right off. You're nicely caked in mud in the back tire now.
I won't rip it. Complicated. That guy moved at the right time.
What the fuck, don't take runs at it. Hi, dude. I think it's a good idea you brought that come along. Oh, almost.
Oh, yeah, I'll look it up.
Whoa, buddy, fuck. Fucking throwing mud at me. It won't stop.